What time do you usually wake up? I usually wake up at 7 a.m. Do you use an alarm clock? Yes, I always set an alarm to wake up on time. What do you do right after waking up? I drink a glass of water and stretch for a few minutes. Do you check your phone in the morning? Yes, I quickly check my messages and emails. Do you eat breakfast every day? Yes, I never skip breakfast. It gives me energy for the day. What do you usually eat for breakfast? I usually have eggs, toast, and some fruit. Do you drink coffee or tea in the morning? I prefer coffee to start my day. How do you commute to work or school? I take the bus to work. How long does it take you to get to school? It usually takes me about 30 minutes. What do you do on your commute? I listen to music or read a book. What time do you start school? I start at 9 a.m. What do you do during your lunch break? I usually eat lunch and take a short walk. Do you bring lunch from home or eat out? I usually bring my lunch from home. What time do you finish school? I usually finish around 5 p.m. What do you do after school? I like to relax, exercise, or spend time with friends. Do you go to the gym or exercise regularly? Yes, I try to go to the gym at least 3 times a week. What time do you have dinner? I usually have dinner around 7 p.m. What do you usually do in the evening? I watch TV, read, or work on personal projects. Do you watch TV or read before bed? I usually read a book before going to sleep. Do you follow a strict daily routine? Yes, I try to stick to my routine as much as possible. What do you do to relax after a busy day? I like to take a warm bath or meditate. Do you spend time on hobbies during the day? Yes, I usually spend some time on my hobbies in the evening. Do you prepare for the next day before going to bed? Yes, I usually lay out my clothes and pack my bag for the next day. Do you follow the same routine on weekends? No, my weekends are more relaxed, and I wake up later. Do you use any apps to organize your day? Yes, I use a calendar app to keep track of my tasks and appointments. What do you wish you could change about your daily routine? I wish I could find more time for exercise and relaxation.